In this video, we'll be looking at the history and art history brush in Photoshop. Now, this brush is really excellent when you're wanting to do sort of like a painting or watercolor effect. So this option is available on the left-hand side here. If you look for looks like a paintbrush icon with an arrow in it. You can left click and hold. The art history brush is which actually does the work, and the history brush is what you undo with. So for my first bit of advice is that you should add a new layer. The reason for this is that any mistakes that can be made, you can easily delete the layer and it won't have an impact on the koala underneath it or what image you're working on. So if we left click and hold, select the art history brush. Now the options for inside are available in this version of Photoshop on the top menu here. Look for the icon that looks like it's got a paintbrush in it. When I left click on that, I've got many different paintbrush options there. So I'm just going to go brush 30. You've got different things there, like you can adjust the roundness. So if you want to make it more harsh, I'll leave it as 100%. You can adjust the size of it, of the actual brush head, spacing. You got more brushes there if you're not happy with the brushes there, but play around with it. Then all you do is you just draw over the koala. And all you do then is you just draw over the image. So you can see here, as I'm drawing over the koala, it's applying what looks like a sort of painting sort of style. So it might be more relevant if I put it over the leaf. So you can see here it's kind of blending it together. So you can see it's got like that watercoloring effect. So this is a really great sort of brush to use if you're looking to do more of an abstract sort of drawing or trying to change the image to make it look a little bit more, as I said, abstract and different. Now, if you're not happy with that, say you want to undo that ear, all you do is you left click and hold, you go to history brush, and then what you do is whatever you paint over will undo it. So a really great brush to use, especially if you're looking to make the image, make it look a little bit more, artistic or not realistic. If you have any questions, let me know.